Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Pisces ngayong August 31, 2023 at 9:35 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. This is a very powerful full moon dahil hindi lang to basta full moon. Isa rin tong super moon at blue moon. So super moon dahil mas malapit siya sa Earth kaya mas malaki siyang tignan. Blue moon dahil hindi madalas mangyari ang pagkakaroon ng dalawang full moons sa isang buwan na meron ngayon yung August. So nagkaroon tayo ng full moon in Aquarius noong August 2 at ngayon namang August 31 full moon in Pisces. Ang pinaka-theme ng full moon in Pisces is to release tension, to offer forgiveness, and to let go. Since ang moon will conjunct Saturn in the sign of Pisces, maaring magkaroon ng tension sa mga limitasyon na mga sitwasyon na kinabibilangan natin. So imagine yung frustration ninyo dyan. So the sun is also in Virgo, which is opposing the moon in Pisces. Kaya yung creativity, yung mga dreams, emotions natin, ginaground yan ng energy ng sun in Virgo, which is being analytical and structured. So Saturn is also giving us lessons on how to handle responsibilities at yung mga consequences ng mga actions natin in the past. Pisces is the last sign of the zodiac, kaya its energy is to release and to surrender. And then Mercury is also in retrograde in the sign of Virgo, kaya maaring may mga misunderstanding, miscommunication that will lead to endings. Kaya it's time to rethink, reassess, and i-review nyo muna yung mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa inyong growth. And any toxic situation will be released in this lunation. This may resonate for Aries Sun or Moon, especially Aries risings. So for you Aries, ang full moon ay mangyayari sa inyong 12th house of your spirituality, your subconscious, your mental health, endings, and also losses. So maaring maging heavy yung energies na to for you, especially to those na merong pinagdadaanan ng mga pagtatapos or ending sa relationships nila or sa trabaho or career nila na tipong wala silang magagawa. Okay? So anything that is beyond your control, you just need to surrender and let that go para hindi ka na rin ma-frustrate or hindi ka na rin mag-overthink or hindi ka na rin ma-stress. Okay? Kasi prone to sa overthinking, pagkakaroon ng emotional stress. So, mas maganda na i-let go mo yan, lalo na si Saturn ay conjunct sa moon. So, ito yung mga karmic na experiences na kailangan mo nang i-release or kailangan mo nang matutunan yung lesson na yon para ma-break mo na yung cycle at hindi na magpaulit-ulit sa'yo na mangyayari. So this is it also has an opposition, no, yung moon sa sun in Virgo in your 6th house. Although this is a good placement kasi Mercury is in its home sign na Virgo. So sa communication maaari pa rin magkaroon ng miscommunication, misunderstanding, lalo na sa katrabaho mo or sa workplace mo, or maaring meron kang mga schedule na mahihirapan kang sundin because of your own personal struggle. Yung tipong meron kang pinagdadaanan, no, na challenge sa buhay mo and naaapektuhan na rin somehow yung productivity mo. So ito yung panahon na mas kailangan mong magpakatatag, no? At i-reassess mo yung situation mo. Ano ba yung bagay na you are still holding on to, pero alam mo na wala ka nang magagawa, na kailangan mo nang i-let go para mas gumaan na yung pakiramdam mo. Okay? So, meron din tong positive aspects sa Jupiter, which is in your second house. So, when it comes to your finances, maaring meron kang mga bagong opportunities to earn money. Pwede rin tong merong mag-o-offer ng help, mag-o-offer ng assistance sa'yo sa mga pangangailangan mo, no? Anything related to material things, anything related sa mga values mo, valuables. And also, some of you meron ring transformation, pagbabago pagdating sa inyong trabaho, sa career ninyo. So, kung kayo ay nawala ng trabaho or merong natapos na kontrata, natapos na business, na kailangan nyo na i-let go, hayaan nyo na lang yon dahil merong tina-transform dito pagdating sa bagong opportunity related to your career, your business, or your work. Okay? And then, meron lang tong conflict or frustration, no, sa fifth house, which is about your creativity, children, and also romantic connections. So, maari kasing yung personal mong problema, maaring maapektuhan niya yung connections mo sa iyong mga anak, kung meron ka ng mga anak, yung tipong hindi mo sila masyadong mabibigyan ng attention dahil meron kang sarili mong pinagdadaanan. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring yung pagiging creative nyo, lalo na if you are working as a creative designer or creative writer, na mahirap mag-focus, no, kapag meron kang sarili mong struggle na hindi mo pa naaayos. So, mas makakabuti for you na mag-meditate, i-reassess nyo kung ano na yung dapat nyong i-let go. Na anything na hindi na nakakapagpasaya sa inyo, anything na parang burdensome na sa inyo, it's time for you to let that go and focus on the things that are changing for you. And then, yung iba naman sa inyo, meron din talagang challenging situation or frustration sa relationship ninyo. Pwedeng you are dealing with a partner na medyo aggressive or maiinitin din ng ulo, yung tipong nagkakasabay-sabay na kayo ng init ng ulo. So, as much as you can, you try to collect yourself. Kumbaga sabi nga think before you speak. Maghinay-hinay na lang muna sa mga bibitawan nating salita para makaiwas tayo sa conflict issues, especially with our kids or with our partners, loved ones, no. Let's get some messages for you, Aries. You have the Ace of Wands, so new inspiration, a spark of new idea. Pwede rin tong messages na kung saan you will feel excited to know. Also have the Seven of Swords. I'm sensing that meron ditong truth. Truth will be revealed, no? Katotohanan na mabubunyag. This can be yung intention, no? Intention ng isang tao sa buhay mo. This can be a friend, a co-worker, a relationship, a business partnership. And from there, dun ka makakaramdam ng freedom dahil at least, no, 'di ba sabi nga the truth will set you free. So, palalayain ka nung katotohanan na matutuklasan mo na 'yon. And dun ka na makakapag-decide na kailangan mo nang i-let go yung mga connections na 'yan, lalo na kung yung truth na 'yon is doon mo na-realize yung worth mo, na hindi ka pala masyadong pinapahalagahan ng taong to or hindi pala maganda yung intentions nito sa'yo. So, your self-care is to listen. People start to heal the moment they feel heard. Ayan. So, maaring you will be talking to someone na very confident ka na i-share yung feelings mo, yung thoughts mo, yung mga naiisip mo. And maaring someone is also willing to give you advice, handang makinig sa mga sasabihin mo. And someone na meron ding kaparehong pinagdadaanan sa'yo, kaya mas naiintindihan ka niya. Growth. Evolution starts when you leave your comfort zone, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. So, maaaring yung iba sa inyo, you are leaving your comfort zone. Kaya yung iba, nag-overthink, iniisip nyo, ano ba, kailangan ko na bang may baguhin, kailangan ko na bang umalis dito sa sitwasyon na to. And if you feel na hindi ka na komportable dyan sa sitwasyon mo na yan, then it's time for you to move forward, to go to a new direction. Dahil dun ka lang mas lalago, dun ka mas magi-improve. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.